Sometimes all you need is a simple and easy recipe that you can whip up within 20 minutes, including the prep time of your veggies. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you a very flavorful, delicious chicken and spaghetti recipe that is going to turn out awesome. With this recipe, everything is going to be very simple. I have some leftover spaghetti, chicken breast that I've diced into medium sizes. I have carrots, zucchini, garlic, black pepper, garlic powder, and a few sauces. So we're going to get straight into cooking this delicious recipe by placing a pan over medium flame and adding in around a tablespoon of cooking oil. When your cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in your chicken breast, add in some salt and pepper. Just a tiny pinch of salt, black pepper, cook your chicken breast for around 2 minutes or until it has a very nice golden brown color. Chicken breast is one of the best cuts when it comes to very simple and easy recipes because it cooks very fast. So this is after a minute and the chicken is perfectly browning, as you can see. So I'm going to cook for another minute. We want to get all the flavor for this recipe because all the burnt bits of chicken and the color is going to add in lots of flavor to the recipe. So when the chicken breast is ready, you're going to add in 4 cloves of garlic, saute with the chicken for around 30 seconds or until it's very flavorful. You don't want to overcook your chicken breast because it's going to turn out very dry and we need some juicy chicken. So once the garlic is ready, I'm going to be adding in my zucchini or courgette. Add in carrots, some black pepper and garlic powder, toss all the ingredients together, and then I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. I'm going to be eyeballing. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, add in a tablespoon of sriracha. Toss all the ingredients together. Cook your zucchini and carrots for around a minute over medium-low flame. Squeeze in half a teaspoon of lemon juice. You can also add in some lime juice. And this is going to bring out all the flavors. Just look how gorgeous the chicken is looking. So next you're going to add in a splash of water and add in your spaghetti. So this is around 2 cups of leftover spaghetti. Use my spatula and toss the spaghetti together with the delicious sauce, veggies and chicken. The sriracha is going to add in some spiciness as well as some garlic flavor. I love adding sriracha to my food. And the soy sauce is going to add in umami flavor. If you don't have the light soy sauce, you can substitute with dark soy sauce and it's also going to turn out amazing. Cook your spaghetti and chicken for around 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook your spaghetti because it's already cooked. And also, we want crunchiness in our carrot and zucchini. Once the chicken and spaghetti is done cooking, it's going to be looking very awesome and delicious. Very colorful because we've added in some zucchini and carrots, and it's going to be loaded with lots of proteins because we have added in some chicken. So this is a very simple and easy recipe which you can whip up, maybe either from work or from the gym because it's loaded with lots of proteins and it's going to take less of the time